Here's a popular one at Unique, especially in classics. It's a 1966 Impala SS two-door hardtop or sport coupe. And yes, real deal SS. If you take a look at the data tag, you'll be able to see that it does have the 873 red Impala SS bucket seats. Also be able to look at the style number on there. I'll tell you where to see that picture here in just a bit with the rest of the pictures of the car. First of all, let's go ahead and take a look at the front bumper, grille, headlight surrounds. This is originally a C paint code, so ermine white car with the red SS bucket seats like I mentioned earlier. 396 underneath the hood. That's an error correct. 396. Actually a 65 to 66 block, the way it looked by the casting, and 66 heads, oval port heads with a mild cam. We're going to start it up here at the end of the video also, but first check out those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course you can call us 507-386-1726. As you can see, riding on the American Racing 5-spoke wheels, polished BF Goodrich radials as we take a look down the passenger side of this car. There's a red interior. Again, vinyl buckets. Original 4-speed car. Be able to see that from the data tag also. And again, picture that data tag in the still pictures. Here's also some of the things that go along with this car. The previous owner, like I said, had it since approximately 1980. There's a bunch of club magazines, like maintenance type things, write-ups, that type of thing, all in those folders. So we're going to send those with this car. Also the center console with the gauge cluster. Looks like a stock radio. Some miscellaneous trim pieces and badging. So we will put that in the trunk. We'll go along with the car. Another thing to remember is we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, this vehicle comes with the 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan, and it may be extendable up to 10 years. So check with your sales consultant when you call in or email. Any questions on that? And again, take your time looking through the still pictures. uniqueclassiccars.com. Just click on that link down below this video if you're seeing it on YouTube. It's going to take you right there. You'll be able to see the VIN, the cowl tag, over 100 pictures of this car online. Let's go ahead and take a look from the rear to the front to the driver's side. There was one spot that was touched up back here too. I don't know if you noticed that. I want to show you right there, a little bit of a touch up. It's one of those cars, get in, drive it, have some fun. Local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. So we take a look up and down the driver's side here. And remember, true super sport. Vinyl seats appear to be free of any rips, tears, holes, really much wear at all. Seat belts intact up front, as you can see. Door panel looks good, carpeting. Headliner, all good. Now I'm going to show you something cool on this car. You don't see these, and you don't see them working all the time either. We have a factory working tack. You see those advertised working. This is in working order. $900 if you're out looking for one. There's also a company that I believe rebuilds them. And to get one from them, they're weeks out. And I believe that is an Instrument Services Inc. But it's a long turnaround to try to get one of those. But yeah, so we even got a working tack in this one. It's fired up. Check it out. See, it starts easily. I believe it was Edelbrock carb and intake. There it is. Working order. I always had the blower fan worked, and I also had the wipers working. So you're aware of that. Take a look at the rest of the dash. You can tell there's a mild cam in that 396. There's the fuel gauge also moved, and then a couple aftermarket gauges down here with oil pressure, And then of course water temp, that was a cold start, so I wouldn't expect that water temp gauge to be moving much. And of course your 4-speed. Slip around to the back so you can hear this. Good sound. Not too crazy in the cam, but just enough. Give it a little bit of low. Alright. Slip up to the front. I'm going to pause this a second. We want to check out this engine bay. And we'll wrap up this video. Get a look underneath the hood. And of course the engine bay, so we have aluminum radiator, dual electric fans, headers, HEI ignition, getting that 396 paired up with the 4-speed, Edelbrock intake manifold, Edelbrock 4-barrel carb, heater hoses still intact, hooked up. Nice looking engine bay. Wouldn't be ashamed to pop the hood in any of your car shows or roll-ins with this one. Show off that big block. 1966 Chevrolet Impala SS, true SS, 2-door hardtop or sport coupe. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Don't forget, it's going to come with that 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan that may be extendable up to 10 years. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation. Give us a call.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we have a 1966 Chevrolet Impala. As you can see, it is winter in Minnesota, but the roads are primarily dry, and we do wash our vehicles so we can do these driving videos for you. Under the dash we have a water temperature gauge and an oil pressure gauge. The oil is reading 65 pounds and the water is reading about 170 right now. The blower motor does work on this vehicle. This is a 4-speed on the floor. Let's see how she does on the road. Good acceleration. You can hear those 4 barrels open up. Our gas gauge appears to work. It's reading about a half a tank. This car goes straight down the road. There's a little bit of play in the steering wheel. It's not overly excessive. Feels pretty smooth. Not getting any tire shakes. No excessive wind noise. Very comfortable. It's got a nice interior. It's in really good condition. The red interior. White exterior looks nice. It's always fun to drive a 4-speed. Check out this 1966 Impala, unique classic.